Hello. My name is Grace. I'm just message today for Tuesday, 26th of November 2024, and I get some card already for message for today. Is the angel card, okay? Is the healing card. Today is the earth chakra, okay? Um, the earth chakra is upon upper is as a music and words from both external and with your mind. So the messages are real answer to your prayer. So today is for air chakra. So you need to listen, okay? So you receive this message. This is for everyone, okay? Today is Tuesday, 26th of November. The message is for card is saying that you receive this card because the angel have been trying to get your attention. So did you see that your angel, this is your angel as well. So there are lots of blooming flower there. So saying that they heard your prayer, so you don't need to worry. They listen to your ear and giving you information from your ear, information and instruction, so that you can take your appropriate action. So if you got a problem, and you listen to your intuition, listen to your mind peacefully and with action. So you are hearing the angel. So you start hearing the angel, or you need to concentrate for meditation and listen carefully and close your eyes and listen what can you feel in your mind. First thing in your mind, that's the intuition. Okay, so you need to hearing the angel message in various way. So my angel said is repetitive songs over and over, overheard conversation, stranger out of the blue, reassurances, or words that you heard in your mind. The angel messages are always loving and positive, trustworthy, and constructive. Okay, so um, action, you maybe you take the places uh, Archangel Michael, following to Archangel Michael, saying as you should ask your vacuum to clear any lower energies in physical air, especially in physical air, or chakra, air chakra. And you can see to prayer for saying that I am willing to release anything painful that I ever heard, or in exchange for clarity in my ability to hear the voice of love of uh, the voice of love and the angel. So guys, so if you're in your air and you're willing to release the anything that painful, like negative energy and toxic person, toxic relationship, toxic people talking behind your back. So it's better to ask your angel, and you maybe all the angel is listening to you, and so it's better to exchange the clarity of in my ability to hear the voice of love of the angel instead of bad hearing for behind your back. So pray and listen and take action on it. Okay, because your earth chakra is the angel message are always loving and positive, trustworthy, and constructive. Okay, guys. The second one message is for Archangel Michael. For prayer is trust your vibe. So what do you trust your vibe? Trust your angel that choose your intuition, your guides. So they are telling me that you trust your heart, trust your mind, body, spirit, and be listen and listen carefully and what the angel message to you. So you need to balance and be think about your heart. Okay, so you can say that today I trust my intuition and guidance. So the angel are here to inform you what you've been feeling recently. Absolute correct. So my angel telling me that your intuition is on the point, that angel are here to congratulate you on trusting your vibes. You see, trust your vibe. That's the message today. And your intuition, uh, feeling is one thing. Okay, your feelings, feeling is one thing, but trusting is another. So when you wholeheartedly trust your intuition and the feeling you have been given to you, come into alignment. Okay, so come into alignment and with who you are and the angelic guidance will surround you. So close your eyes and listen carefully and trust what your intuition telling you. So what all you and trust your guidance what you should to do, what should do with this intuition, and ensure that is everyone is highest good and included yourself. Okay, so the message for today is just Tuesday. The oracle card angel is trust your vibe. So maybe we can have another interpretation for this expanded. Okay, what? Let me get my angel giving me some message. Is now is talking to me, and your psychic is your psychic and your and abilities are developing more and more every day. So that's the saying that the angel are here encourage you to go with whatever you feel your soul and trying to tell you rich psychic knowledge and downloading into your angel encourage you to follow this guidance. So, as you take this step, bring up some fear or concern, um, but you need to encourage, you are encouraged to trust to the angel, um, who are on this journey with you. Okay, so when you take the first step, the next step will be presented to you. Trust your vibes. So that is saying that today for the prayer of the Archangel Michael, saying trust your vibe, follow your intuition, what anything that happened to your life, mind and body spirit, so you trust your vibe and obey what you message from angel. So today and Tuesday the message is for the air chakra and notice your misses that occur in some music and word, but is repetitive. And the intuition saying Archangel Michael is trust your vibe, like psychic um, knowledge or psychic intuition. So the angel trust your heart and mind and body spirit. Okay, thank you, angel, for the message today. And guys, if you see this, thank you for your watching and reading. That thank you for watching and likes and support me. Thank you, amen. Bye bye. See you next day. Bye. Love you.